And today we're going to talk about sustainable gardening at home and kind of how to go about growing food for yourself and your family and the style of a food forest. So a food forest is a system where you have a bunch of different food-bearing plants or plants that are beneficial towards those food-bearing plants all together kind of in a densely packed area, because a lot of times people don't have space to have a nice big orchard and you still want a lot of variety. Early stages of a food forest, you're going to have a lot of open space because you don't want to plant your fruit trees too close together. So we're going to be able to utilize a lot of space in growing annuals. So for example, we have a moringa tree and a peach tree, and they're still really young, they're not fully mature yet. So I'm taking advantage of this space that still has sunlight to grow things like cabbage. Good idea is to plant beneficial flowering plants to bring in the insects and the bees to help pollinate your fruit and veggies. Cauliflower plant producing flowers, and this is going to bring in insects and also create seed for your next season. It helps to conserve water so you don't have to be out there watering it so much. And if you choose something organic matter in nature, like these wood chips, they're going to start breaking down over time and depositing nutrients into the soil for all your plants. It's also going to create an environment for soil life to come and live, like your bacteria, your beneficial fungus, and your earthworms and such.